Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning auto daylight savings on and off on the Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to have auto daylight savings turned on the infotainment system. With this turned on, the time will automatically change on your clock when daylight savings takes effect. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. In the System settings, tap Time and Date. Then tap the checkbox to the right of Automatic Summertime. When there is a check in the checkbox, the clock will automatically change when the clocks change. And when there is no check in the checkbox, your clock won't change automatically. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Arona tips and tricks.